Today I'm going to replace the rear brake pads and also bleed the brake fluid. So this is a 1994 Kawasaki Voyager XII, and the rear brake pad job is very easy. You have to remove the saddlebags, and to remove the saddlebags, just the remote, you have to just pull this pin out, and it gets this detached. Plus you have to also disconnect this wire. It's connected to the brake lights here. So once you've done that, it will look like this. Then to remove the caliper, you have to remove these two bolts, 1 and 2, and to remove that you will need 8, I think, what is this, the number on this is 50403, and it is Duralast. So it's number 50 to use to remove those two. Then this caliper comes out. Then there are two brake pads. One is small and one is big. The smaller one will simply fall out. If not, you can just take a small screwdriver and try to remove it. And the big one, if you want to remove the big one, you see this and this shaft inside that hole. So you have to push the shaft away, or push the shaft inside so that it will disengage from the hole, and then that's how you can remove it. It's very easy. You can do it with hand or that, so it should easily come out from both the sides. And then replace using the new ones. And if this is uneven and if there is a ridge at the edge, you might want to consider installing a new one. And I think I will have to replace this soon because it's uneven and there is a ridge developed. Probably it was never replaced, and my bike has about 34,000 miles, and it's a 1994. And you can loosen this nut, which is a bleeding nut. That might help you wiggle this out if you have a big ridge. Sometimes it gets stuck in the ridge and this caliper won't come out. You might have to pry it out by pressing in the cylinder that pushes the brake pads together. And once it's out, just install the new ones and put it back in place. Same way you removed it, put back those nuts. And then to drain the old brake fluid, my brakes were really spongy and they were not good on the rear side. Front are good. So what I did, I used this vacuum device. It's connected to compressed air. So I connected the tube here and I slightly loosened this, so that way it will let the fluid get out of here. Okay, before you do that, remove this silver cover. There is a brake fluid reservoir here for the rear brake pads. Okay, so open that and check the level. Make sure it's always full with fluid when you are bleeding the brakes. Don't let air enter that tube, otherwise you will have spongy brakes. So make sure you bleed the air out properly. Mine, I don't know when it was replaced back, so I completely drained all the old brake fluid and put brand new brake fluid. That's how much I bled. And then I pumped it and till it was tight. And so just learn how to do a bleeding process for any brakes. You just follow the same process. I'm not going to go into detail how you should bleed the brakes, but If you have seen some videos on that, then you will know. I think that's it. It's a very simple and easy job. You can do it within 1 hour.